One summer morning, we set out on a journey to Karabakh, one of the most treasured regions of Azerbaijan. Our goal was to explore the rich history and breathtaking nature of this ancient land. We aim to witness the most remarkable places in Karabakh, Shusha, Lachen, and Konkendi with our own eyes and delve deeper into their stories. Our first stop was Shusha, perched high in the mountains. This ancient city welcomed us with stunning landscapes. As we approached Shusha, its grandeur immediately captivated us. Surrounded by rocky cliffs and dense forests, this historic city seemed to stand as a silent guardian of time. Walking through Shusha, you could feel the traces of the past with every step. The streets, squares, and ancient monuments of Shusha are like silent storytellers, speaking of centuries gone by. As the cultural cradle of Azerbaijan, Shusha has a place in every chapter of history, having once been the heart of the Karabakh Khanate. Next, we journeyed to Lachen, nestled between mountains, forests, and rivers. This beautiful region seemed like a piece of a fairy tale world. Lachen's nature revealed a new story at every turn. Standing on the peaks of these mountains, we marveled at the rich natural beauty of Karabakh. The dense forests, flowing rivers, and flower-covered meadows of Lachen seemed to invite us to stay forever. But Lachen is not only known for its natural beauty, its history is equally significant. This region has been a crossroads of various cultures and civilizations throughout history, standing out for its strategic importance. As we walked the ancient paths of Lachen, we gained a deeper understanding of its past and its significance. Our next stop was Konkendi, located in the embrace of mountains. This city, as the heart of Karabakh, boasts both natural and historical treasures. Konkendi's landscapes showed us how harmoniously nature and culture can blend. The mountains surrounding the city hold the traces of history in every stone and brick. In Konkendi, we could feel the historical footprints of Karabakh with every step we took. Here, the serene flow of life combined with the majesty of the mountains, almost transporting us back in time. The historical monuments in the city stood as symbols of its rich past. Throughout our journey, the different places in Karabakh reveal their beauty and history to us. Shusha, Lachen, and Konkendi, each one left us in awe with its unique charm. These places are living witnesses to the rich history and nature of Azerbaijan. Karabakh is like a treasure frozen in time, and we became a part of that treasure. By the end of our journey, we departed with a deep sense of pride and love, having rediscovered the beauty and historical depth of these lands.
Yere olmaz. Koy burada dur. Sen o Çok şeyler. Çok